Most people planning for retirement or an early retirement, just a few months into retirement, they have one big fear. What am I missing in my retirement planning? What's missing? So let's get real, folks. We put our plans together using spreadsheets, free online calculators. Maybe you buy a software package that helps you. But the biggest risk in retirement planning isn't from the obvious mistakes and obvious input that you're putting into these plans. They're the small assumptions, the misunderstandings, the omissions you make from the plan. All these compound and work together to cause some bad things, running out of money, maybe just a 10, 20, 30, $100,000 mistake, but that's a big mistake to make. Um, have you ever written a Christmas letter? I write one every year, and it's 1 page long, and I proofread it. I have Word, the software package Word, read it back to me, and then I give it to my wife, and she finds like 5 or 6 errors in it. The same thing is going on in your retirement plan. This month, you can get something that I don't know anybody else in the world offers. Okay. This is a true second opinion of your plan, the plan you created, done by a certified financial planner for $250. Okay. No sales pitches, no products, just an objective review. And this is for my audience only. Okay. And only in the month of December. It's going to return to $300 in January. I know of 2 companies in the world that'll do a review like this, a $300 review. And both of them I found, and I've worked with them to develop that product. And it's been going on most of 2025, but there's only 2. And I've had 9 companies tell me no. And that's what most people hear. You've asked for this option about 18 months ago, and I found these folks, and I'm delighted. And Defining Wealth is offering $50 off for just the month of December. Okay. Now, here's common gaps that I see in plans, and I've gotten feedback from these reviews. Here's what typically is out there. They have no tax plan. Social Security timing is a standalone decision versus how it interacts with everything else, like taxes, having some fixed income. IRMA surprises. IRMA are your Medicare supplement premiums that are not age-based, income-based. Those just be a surprise. You do high R Roth conversions because you hear Roth conversions is the right thing to do, and then your IRMA offsets that. What are RMDs? Do I need to even look at that? Weak survivorship planning. If you're married, what happens to your spouse if one dies early? They lose their Social Security and you're taxed as a single. Healthcare assumptions could be off. There are a lot of options out there. Maybe you have too high of a number in there. Asset allocation, too risky or too conservative. Most of the time it's too conservative. People, instead of putting in, in their assets they don't need for 10 years, they'll put in a 5% return. And they'll work an extra couple years because of that. Or they have an extreme growth mindset where they have everything, 100% of their assets are in equities, and they don't have anything for sequence of return risk and market, going down like tomorrow. Poor numbers for rate of return, poor numbers for inflation are some of the common things. And as a creator of your retirement plan, you're often blind to these things, just like that Christmas letter I was talking about. I'm going to link a paper here that I had in a previous video that says 16, I think it's 16 stress tests you need to be making on your plan. I'm going to link it here so you can check that out. December. Why December? Well, December is a month I asked for. I've been working with Defining Wealth. It's Kyle and Jacob down there. And I've got a video series where I interviewed them. So December is the month where people slow down and they think about what happened this year, what went well, what didn't go well, what do they want 2026 to look like, and can I possibly retire earlier than what I was thinking about? I was thinking about retiring in 5 years. Can I do it and can I retire Monday, not go back to work after the holidays? It's a perfect time to tighten up your plan and make plan adjustments. A lot of adjustments need to be made 3, 4, 5, 6 years before retirement to get your assets in the right location to manage your taxes and your IRMA, right? Maybe even your health care. If you're using the Affordable Care Act, you want to have maybe money in your brokerage account so you don't show income. That's Defining Wealth is doing this, like I said, for December for $250 only for this audience, only for my audience. Nobody else can get this, just my audience. This is not just a typical free plan review that you see online from somebody. Hey, talk to this certified financial planner. Those are just sales funnels. They're sales funnels. They're trying to get you into the queue and put doubt in your mind. Here's what you're going to get. You're going to get 1 hour of preparation by the folks at Defining Wealth. You're going to get a 1 hour review online. So that's a question and answer. You're going to get a written summary, identifying strengths, areas to improve, risk, blind spots, practical next steps. No upsells, no products, no assets under management pitch. Just what does your plan look like? This is ideal for if you built your own plan. If you want a professional to challenge your plan, if you're up to that, don't let your ego get in the way. Say, hey, I got this. A simple mistake could be $20,000 gone. You're retired. It's a good thing to do if you're just retired or close to it. You want independent advice. You want a sanity check just before 2026 starts. $250. Buy yourself this Christmas present. You need confidence to retire. I'm telling you, so many people get up to retirement and they delay. It's called the 1 more year trap. You need confidence to retire. That comes from the outside, comes from a professional looking at your plan with you. $250 this month only. I can't stress that enough. You can't get this anywhere else. I'm proud to offer it to my audience. I've worked hard to find somebody that'll do this. Defining Wealth, they're very good company. Secure your spot now. Just secure your spot now. I think this is a great gift to yourself. Invest in your free time and in your retirement. $250, link below.